Students, I switch on the lamp. Okay, so this is the convex lens. By using the rough calculation method, by focusing the distance object, I came to know that the focal length of this convex lens is around 20 or 21 centimeter. Okay, so we need the object, the image produced by this convex lens is same size of that object. So at what position it will be produced? Yes, at the image distance is u is equal to 2f, means the object distance also at 2f. That means the object size and the image size will be same. So for that I kept that the distance between the lens and the object is 2f, that is around 40 centimeter. So this is the initial position I kept here. So this is the object, this is the lens. So the distance between the object and the lens will be taken as 2f, because f is around 20.5. I take it as 41 centimeter. This is the 0 position. Okay, so this is the 41, exactly 41 position. Then where the image will be formed? Yes, this is a 2f, means again 2f. Where the image will be formed? Exactly at 82 centimeter, the image will be clearly formed. So I will show you. Yes, this is the wire gauge clearly forms that. This is the wire gauge will be act as an object for our experiment in this experiment. So this is the first one. Then what is that? What I told in the previous video. Now we are going to insert the concave lens. So if I insert the concave lens, you can see that the image will be blurred on the screen. So now don't adjust the screen, because the screen is a source. So then the image formed by this convex lens will act as a virtual object for this concave lens. Don't adjust the screen by keeping. Okay, so I will fix this distance 7.5 centimeter. So this is the screen is at 7.5 centimeter. So I will keep this lens, concave lens. This is a middle point, exactly middle point. This is a concave lens. The distance between the concave lens and this one is taken as 7.5 centimeter. That is a U. I will show it in the board again clearly. So see this picture. So this is the convex lens. Now I insert the concave lens. Initially this S is a screen. So the screen position and the lens position L to S is taken as a object distance. Now we are going to adjust this screen in backside away from the concave lens. We are able to get the clear image. That will be taken as a V, that is image distance. Are you clear? Dear students, again I will say that. So the light from the lamp source falls on the convex lens. The image is clearly seen at this position. So the image size will be same as the object size. That means if the object is at 2f, image is also formed at 2f. That is the position of the convex lens is at 41 centimeter. The image is formed at 82 centimeter. Now this is the act as a virtual object for this concave lens. Now I am going to insert this concave lens, but the distance between the concave lens and the screen will be initially I taken as a 7.5 centimeter, which is already I told to you. Okay, now I will adjust the screen to get the clear image. To get the clear image, that is wire gauge will be clear this screen. So that clear image I'm going to set up that it will be around 12 centimeter. So exactly at 12 centimeter, what will happen? So again I'll adjust that. Yes, now only the gauge will be clear image obtained. So initially the screen is at this position before inserting the concave lens. Now I kept insert this concave lens. The distance between the concave lens and the previous position of the screen is 7.5 centimeter. That will be taken as a U. Now the screen is moved backward. Then the image will be seen clearly. So that distance is exactly 12 centimeter. So the U is 7.5 centimeter and V is 12 centimeter. So the reading will be tabulated in the given tabulation. So the object distance is distance between the lens to, that is the concave lens, and the initial position of the screen. Yes, that is the object distance 7.5 centimeter. The image will be the distance between that lens and the final image formed is 12 centimeter. By doing this calculation UV by U minus V, we get the answer is 20. So this is a positive one, negative one. We get the minus sign. Why it is minus sign, sir? Very simple, I will show to you. So here, for any sign convention, you have to take an, for this lens, concave lens, left side is a minus sign and right side is a plus sign. So the object is also kept at right side of the lens. Image is also formed at right side of the lens. So what will happen? So both will be taken, U and V, both will be taken as a positive sign convention. So for U, F is equal to, so here the first reading is U is 7.5 into 12 divided by, what is the U minus V? 7.5 minus 12. Definitely in the denominator the minus will come. That is 7.5 into 12 is 90 and this one is a minus 4.5. So if you subtract this, if you do this calculation, we get an answer 20 centimeter. It is in centimeter. So the what is the focal length sign for the concave lens? It is negative. Yes, definitely negative only comes. No need to put negative here. Even if you have any confusion, no problem, you can use the minus sign here, because in examination, in practical examination, you may have a chance to forget this one. So you put minus here also. Now I am going to fix the distance between U is, the object distance is 10 centimeter. What will happen to the image distance? How much image distance will be formed? Dear students, this is the first reading question. Now I will remove this concave lens. Then again I will insert the scale, long scale, wooden scale. Kept the distance between the convex lens and the object is at 2f. That is at 2f means what is the position? Exactly 41 centimeter. The middle line will be exactly, because the lens is at this position. Don't keep this one as the initial distance between the object and the screen. The screen is here, so you have to take this one. That is exactly 41 centimeter. Focal length is 20.5 centimeter. Now you adjust this one exactly at 82 centimeter. That is a clear gauge will be obtained. Again, now you have to insert this concave lens between them. But in this time, you have to fix the distance between these two will be, that is the object distance will be kept as a 10 centimeter. In first reading it is a 7.5. Now I will keep this one as a 10 centimeter. So the distance between the screen, that is this initial position of the screen, and the lens, concave lens. This is a lens L2 is inserted between convex lens and the screen. So convex lens and the screen. If you remove this concave lens, you are able to get the clear image. You are able to get the clear image of this object by convex lens. But as per the experiment, now I insert the concave lens between the convex lens and the screen. So this distance will be taken as U. So that is a 10 centimeter. Now adjust the screen backwards away from this. At a certain position, we get the clear image of this one. So the clear image will be obtained around 19 centimeter. Exactly it is 19.2. So here the clear image of the gauge will be obtained. Then the distance between the screen, this is the 19.2. The distance between the concave lens, that is the lens 2, and the final position of the screen is image distance, that is 19.2. So what is the object distance? 10 centimeter. Then the image distance is 19.2. So are you understand, students? So for the third ring, what you have to do? You have to remove the concave lens. Again you have to keep this screen here. So at 2f position, okay, at 2f position, that is 41 centimeter, exactly at 82 centimeter the clear image will be obtained. Now you insert the concave lens again. Now the distance between these two will be kept as 15 centimeter or 12.5 or 2.5 will be increased. So exactly 12.5 centimeter. So 12.5 centimeter. You move this one. So this is exactly distance between this concave lens and the initial position of the screen. 12.5 is taken as a U. Again you adjust the screen. So at a certain position, at a distance of around 30 centimeter, I hope that in this position you are able to see the clear image. It is at 29.5, the clear gauge will be seen. So this is the final image B, image distance B. So object distance is in this position is, that is 12.5. So we kept that image object distance at 12.5 and then 15, all those things. So for 10 the image distance will be noted as at 19.2. For 12.5 it is at 29.5. Again if you do the distance for 15 centimeter for object distance, the image distance will be around 42. So for the further 17.5 the image will be formed at more than 100 centimeter. So leave it. So by using this calculation U and V, similar to this calculation, we get a focal length of this lens is around 20.86. This will be minus 21.69. Then this will be 23.33. So it is a higher value. I hope this is a very big error. Even though we can take that for that only we are taking the average value. By adding all those things, leave the minus sign, add all the numbers and divided by 4, we get a number 21.47 centimeter. That is the focal length. You should put minus sign while writing the result. If you don't put minus sign, so you are not at all understand that this is a concave lens. Okay, for concave lens focal length is always negative. So minus 21.47 is the final reading. So this is the experiment to find the focal length of the concave lens by using convex lens. That is find the focal length of the diverging lens by using converging lens. Thank you, students.